In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Roblox on cloud gaming. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is access to a web browser, and in this video, I'm going to present you two methods that you can use to play Roblox on a cloud gaming service. As you can see, like I said, you only need to open up a web browser, and the first option you have is to go to now.gg. In this website, you will be able to find Roblox among the game lists, and you will be able to play Roblox straight from the cloud. So simply look for now.gg Roblox on Google and access the first link that appears. As you can see, I need to download BlueStacks to play on this computer, but you will have the option to play on your browser without downloading anything through cloud. If this doesn't work for you, this mobile cloud service, you can also use GeForce Now. GeForce Now, however, it needs you to have a subscription active, but if you do have one active, or if you just use the free one, you will be able to find and play Roblox inside of GeForce Now. Regardless of which option you pick, they will both be available through cloud gaming, and you will be able to play Roblox instantly after signing up for one of them. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox on cloud gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.